Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to mute the audio or video in Canva. What you need to do. But before that, if you want to master Canva, try Skillshare for free for 1 month and find amazing classes to boost your Canva designs. Sign up now. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's get started. How to mute the audio of video in Canva. First, you need to go to Canva and log into your account, and then in the search bar just type video, or you see this icon video, just click here. After that, I choose this size 1920 by 1080. And after that, you click uploads and then upload files. Then you upload the video from your laptop. But I already have videos here. I have used it in different projects before. I have many videos here. Okay, for example, this one. This is a tutorial. I use it. I recorded before. Okay, and then you see here audio. Just click here and then click mute. This is what you need to do if you want to mute the audio or video in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. That will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.